Welcome back to Rush's Restorations. Today we are looking at a 1983 Ford Bronco that me and my father are restoring from ground up. Right now the frame is completely done. We still have a couple patches to weld into the body. Overall there is 53 patches in the body. This will be my first vehicle. There's the holes for mounting on the body. In the future, this truck will get a 306 4-speed and will be used for plowing. This project's been going on for about 5 years. And we're trying to get it finished up now. So stay with us and you'll see it being complete. Here's some of the patches that we have to weld in. Our next step after welding on the Bronco will be to take it off the frame and put it back on the cart that's sitting over there. After we put it on the cart, we will flip it upside down and paint the underside with this coating that's all over the Bronco. Then we will primer the inside and put Raptor liner all over it, so that it doesn't rust out like every other vehicle.